Hello everyone. If you are unsure how to edit your PDF file without using any paid software, so stay tuned because I'm going to explain in this tutorial. I have this document, promotion letter document. If I just open it, so I would like to edit this template because I would like to update company name, head of department name, CEO's name, and signature. So I would like to edit this document. So what I will do, I will close this document first and open the Word app. Go to search bar and search WORD Word app. Click on this one. Word document will open. So what I will do on the left hand side, I'll go to open and I will browse my PDF file which I want to edit, and then I will select my PDF file, press open. It will open my PDF file. If I press OK here, it will open my PDF file into Word, but it's in editable mode, so I can change the company name. For example, company name is XYZ Limited. XYZ Limited, and then I would mention the date, 1st of August, and head of department name. So I would say is Chris, Chris Hume. And what's the CEO name? CEO name is Michael Jordan. And again, I would mention the head of department name, which is Chris. And all this is about the congratulation stuff. And at the end, again, I will mention the CEO's name. I will update the CEO name, Michael Jordan, and his signature. MJ, quite cool name, as you can see. So this is, I have edited this file now. What I would do, I would go to the file, press button save as, and browse the location where I want to save my this file. And I will select this folder, and here I will change its name to version 1 to differentiate with the other name, and save as type I will choose PDF file, and then I will hit save button and boom, so it's converted back into PDF file. However, it's in edited version, so I can see all my edits which I made in Word document. If I close this file and double check again, if I see this is my file, so if I just open this one to check, so yeah, I can see all my edits. So this is a very quick process to edit your PDF file without using any software, any paid software. Hit the like button if this video is helpful.